Here are 3 hidden tricks to help you make the most out of your iPhone's camera. For kids and pets who don't like to hold a pose, the live photo feature is a must. Click on the circular icon on the top of the camera interface to take photos with a few seconds of movement before and after you hit the shutter. If you didn't get it right the first time, just go back in time. Go to Albums, scroll down to Live Photos and select the one you want to improve and hit Edit. Now drag your finger back and forth on the slider until you hit that perfect frame. Click Make Key Photo and done. The iPhone camera also has a level tool to help you get that perfectly framed food shot or anytime you need a top-down shot. Position the phone over the subject until you see these 2 crosses on the screen. Angle it down until they line up to get it level. And if you need a wider angle selfie, activate that shutter without even touching the screen. Plug in the earphones that came with the iPhone and press the volume up button to capture your shot. In San Francisco, I'm Vanessa Handarayana, CNET.com for CBS News.